Hello everyone on YouTube. My name is Tamara T. I am your Amazon FBA BFF. In this YouTube video, I will be sharing with you how to start Amazon FBA in 2023 with no money. I strongly believe that anyone can do everything that I am going to share with you in this video so you can get started on your Amazon FBA business and become successful at it. Now, this does require your time and it does require some work. If those two things are not things that you want to do, then this video is not for you. You should probably go back to watching Netflix and playing video games and living the same old life. But for those of you who are excited and motivated to get your Amazon FBA business up and running, but you just need to come up with some money, then this video is for you. So I want to share with you how anyone can do this and start making some money and starting your own Amazon business. So let's go back in time when I first started my Amazon FBA business and how I came up with the money. You guys, you need money to make money. In every single business, you need some sort of money to make money. So let's talk about how I did that. So I found out about Amazon FBA in 2017. Now, I was in a very fortunate situation. I was able to save money from my 9-to-5 job, and I used some of that savings to invest into inventory in my Amazon FBA business. Now, I know not a lot of people have that type of situation. Maybe you have very little to no money right now. So I want to share with you something I did that helped me save up $50,000 to buy my first home. It's not the house I'm living in right now, and I want to share this with you because it's a very good way for anyone to make money and save money. So you guys all have heard of eBay, right? You guys know what eBay is. You guys all know what Facebook Marketplace is. You guys all know what Craigslist is. These are platforms where you can just sell products to anyone. So I found a product that people really wanted, and I put that product up on eBay. And after a few months, I was able to make 50 grand. And I used that 50 grand as a down payment for my first home. So I didn't spend 50 grand to buy the whole entire house. No, the house was way more expensive, but that was my down payment for the first home that I bought. But if you follow everything that I am going to tell you in this video, then you can save up some money super fast as well. So obviously I had my 9-to-5 job. I worked Monday to Friday at an office. I was super tired, but at the end of the day, I was motivated to do this side hustle because I needed extra money. It's so expensive where I live. I live in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. And if you guys know where that is, it's super expensive to live in. So back then I needed more money for my Amazon FBA business, and I bought my first home. So I started buying this product at Costco. You guys all know what Costco is. This is not something where you have to find like a winning product or anything. You can literally go to Costco, buy any product that people need, they can make good use of, and then list it to sell online for a higher price to make some extra cash. So I found a product that someone wanted. I went to Costco and I bought the products in bulk. And then every day after my 9-to-5 job, I made a commitment to myself that I am going to go to the post office to deliver all of these packages to my customers on eBay. I kept doing that for a few months, and then after a few months, I was able to save $50,000. And I worked my ass off for this, you guys. I did not take any days off. I was working on Saturday and Sunday, but this is what it's going to take if you want to save up some money for your Amazon FBA business, or maybe you want to put a down payment on a home or a car or whatever it is that you want. It's going to take some time and some hard work. So eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Craigslist is open to anyone and everyone. You have access to that right now. You can do this right now. So for example, if you find something cool at Costco, let's pretend that you want to sell a set of kitchen knives and it's super cool and you were able to buy it in bulk from Costco because Costco sells things in bulk, right? We all know that when you go to Costco, things are in bulk. It's never like one or two pieces. It's like 10, 20, 100 pieces. and then you sell it on eBay or Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist for a higher price so you can make some profit. So I kept rinsing and repeating this entire process. After a few months, I had a lot of money where I thought, okay, I can now invest into things that I like, and I invested some of that into my Amazon FBA business down the road. I obviously launched more products, which required more capital. So that required me to invest more. If I want to invest more into my Amazon FBA business, I need some cash, I need some capital. So the best way to do it is to buy something and then sell it for a higher price online. It's really that simple. But a lot of people are too lazy to do the work. By the way, if you guys are new to selling products on Amazon and you need help with finding winning products, then make sure you get my free training for Amazon in the YouTube description below. Click on the free training link, enter your name, enter your email address, and watch the training to the end because you get to apply for a free one-on-one call with my team, and they will walk you through the entire process on how you can find profitable products to sell on Amazon that will give you nice profit margins and that will pay you every single month. Now, when you think of items to buy, make sure you buy it at a cheap price and you are not buying things that are marked up at a retail store. Sometimes when you go to like Target or Walmart, sometimes they have prices that are at retail price and not on sale. I do not suggest you to buy products at a retail price because obviously someone else can buy it at a retail price as well, and then they won't be buying your product, right? So you have to find products that are on sale and then you can sell it yourself at the retail price compared to other places, or list it to sell just a little bit higher so then you can make that extra profit. Now, at first, you are probably going to think, oh my gosh, this is so hard. It requires so much time and I only made like 10 bucks. But dude, if you keep at this, I promise you that 10 bucks is going to turn into 100 bucks. And then 100 is going to turn into 500. And then 500 is going to turn into 1,000. The key here is to be consistent. And you are going to have to be committed doing this so you can save up the capital for your Amazon FBA business. It does not take a genius to figure this out. All it requires is some time and a little bit of discipline. You guys can also find things around your own house and list it to sell online to make some extra cash. So I have a lot of kitchen utensils that were given to me from other people, from like Christmas or like other occasions that I don't even like or I don't even use. I could be listing that on eBay or Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace to make extra money. It's really that simple. So don't be lazy and start doing this, because I promise you in a few months, in just a few months, you will have maybe an extra $1,000 or $2,000 to get started, and that is enough to get started on some inventory for your Amazon FBA business. On top of that, you learn something new. You learn how to use a different platform to make money with zero experience, and no one has to teach you how to do this. You literally log onto eBay, read some instructions, and make sure you go to the post office. Obviously, you want to keep your customers happy. And that's it. You make the money and that's the end of the day. So if you guys are just starting to do this, I do think as a beginner, maybe you should start looking for items around the house to get your feet wet. So I bet if I go into my closet right now, I can make an extra $5,000 because there are so many pieces of clothing that I don't even wear. But for me, I don't really have the time to do that right now. I have other more important things to focus on. But for someone like you who does not have a business yet, you know nothing about business, but you want to get started, then this is something that you should consider to do. The best part is there is absolutely no risk in doing this. Let's pretend that you go to Walmart and you see like, I don't know, like kitchen utensils on sale for like half price. There are sales happening everywhere locally, right? You go to Walmart, you find kitchen utensils, they are 50% off. Maybe you buy them for like 20 bucks and you want to sell them for, let's say 40 bucks, and no one wants that product. You're only losing about 20 bucks, and anyone can afford to lose 20 bucks. Or maybe someone will buy it eventually, maybe not right away, but someone will buy it eventually. So there's nothing to lose here. All you have to lose is a little bit of time and you gain some experience on how to do this. Now, you guys may not know this because I never mentioned it before on my YouTube channel, but I also tried Shopify. So I bought clothing from China and I tried to mark it up higher to sell using Shopify. And with Shopify, it's totally different because no one's driving traffic, no one's driving customers to my own Shopify store. So I had to go out there to find my own customers. Whereas if you use eBay, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, there are already so many customers going to those websites every single day. So you don't even need to look for customers. But when I was doing my Shopify store, I did not have a single customer. I did not know what the heck I was doing. And I lost $2,000 because I bought a lot of clothes from China that now I had to liquidate. So all I did to get my $2,000 back was I listed the clothing to sell on Facebook Marketplace. People started messaging me because it was super cheap. Like I was selling like a dress for $5 and I was selling pants for like $7. I just tried to get back the money that I invested into the clothing that I bought because obviously it did not work out. And then eventually people bought all of the clothing that I originally bought from China. So I did not lose any money. I just lost some time and I gained a lot of experience and a lot of knowledge to never start my own Shopify store ever again. That was a huge mistake on my part, but I wanted to share that piece with you because I wanted to tell you that even if a product doesn't sell right away, it eventually will, maybe like on a different platform. So again, there's nothing to lose. And if you do end up buying products that nobody seems to want to buy, you can always liquidate it on Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is full of everyday people logging into Facebook, looking for deals because they want to buy things for cheap. All you do is meet them up and then you do the exchange and that's it. So there are so many ways online how you can actually buy things, sell things to make profits so you can start your very own Amazon FBA business. Remember guys, it's not hard, it just requires some time and it requires some hard work. Eventually you will have the savings to start this business and along the way you get a taste of entrepreneurship, what it really feels like to make your own money from scratch without having a boss, and you do everything yourself. You do everything on your own terms. I hope this video has helped you today get started to making some money super fast without any prior experience. If you guys have any questions, comments, then just drop it in the comment section below. I will see you guys in my next YouTube video.